Mill oil is used in many stages of steel manufacturing. Viking pumps are designed to handle the various application conditions of transferring mill oil. Mill oil, also known as slushing oil, is an all-encompassing phrase for defining different oil formulations for inhibiting corrosion on iron and steel products and reducing friction on rolled or stamped steel product during production. Different mill oils are used depending on the exact process, such as hot rolling, cold rolling, and tubular rolling of steel. Mill oil application conditions can vary greatly. Viscosity may change due to temperature of mill oils that are stored outdoors, and the pump can develop high pressures for even spraying applications. Viking pumps are designed to handle the various application conditions of transferring mill oil. The 4195 series is cast iron and can handle pressures up to 250 psi. This series has capacities up to 580 gallons per minute. The 4124A series is also cast iron. They have cartridge lip seal options and different bushing options for compatibility. This series has capacities up to 500 gallons per minute. Finally, the 1124A series is cast iron and utilizes Viking's own O-Pro barrier seal, virtually eliminating leakage. These pumps have low shear capabilities and capacities up to 400 gallons per minute. When it comes to mill oil, these are just a few options offered by Viking Pump. To learn more about Viking Pump and mill oil, please contact your local Viking Pump distributor.